Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 31st of October. Today's Halloween, Capricorn. I hope you are dressing up as a demon. You are, okay? Either way, I am your host Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and celebrity tarot reader. Capricorn, before we go into any messages, this is your channel song, Capricorn. You know this! Capricorn, you know me love the... Even the vocals sound fucked up. Here's how it goes, you and me, up and down, but maybe this time we'll make it right, worth the fight, 'cause if love is something you can't shake, when it breaks, and it takes is some trying. If you, I'm not gonna make you, 'cause soon you can run. No, you can. Oh my God, let me tell you something. We have heard the news that unfortunately President Zelensky has decided to give up. Of course, he has been aiding for help in Ross. Maybe that's why he decided to give up. He has been asking for aid when it comes on to beating Russia's ass, but apparently Vladimir trained riding fucking bears, so apparently Vladimir knew what he was going to get himself into, Mr. Putin that is. So Zelensky give up. He basically said him give up. Nobody not help me. Trump look like him friends with Kim Jong-un. Now Russia is friends with Kim Jong-un, and nobody's taking Canada's well, Canada took Ukraine's side. Canada welcomed them here, gave them housing and every single thing, just like the immigrants. So I'm just saying, Zelensky said that him give up. It's just so fucked up that you give up 2 years after a war starts. Your whole country mash up now, and now you give up. I'm not going to tell you should die with your country, because I don't feel like your country deserves you, Zelensky. But what I will say is that, yeah, him give up. Zelensky don't feel bad. Karnikova gave the fuck up too. Vladimir Putin didn't even save her. So did you think he could have beat the war? Fucking Karnikova was stuck in fucking battlefield. Karnikova didn't give up. You know what she did? She gave in. She didn't give up. She gave fucking in. Let me tell you that. So Zelensky don't feel bad. Vladimir did not save Karnikova. Here it goes, you and me, Karnikova, this time we'll make it right. All it takes is, no, but on a serious note though, no, the whole of blood clot Ukraine mash up. Who's going to fix that back? It's one thing if you want to take immigrants out of a country and offer them aid and housing in your country, but the place have a fix up. It have a sweep, the debris have a removed. What the fuck going to happen? It is very sad. And of course, I'm sure that the president did not want to let down his citizens the way he did. And of course, that's like you leave your abusive ex 3 years into having a baby. You never just left him from the beginning. Give him back the engagement ring and left him. You never did that. You had a baby. I'm getting now the damage has already been done. Nevertheless, we are hoping that both sides can reach a, what do you call it? I'm trying to look for the word, the opposite of savage. A calm resolution to all this, okay? But don't feel bad. Let me tell you something. You see, if Enrique Iglesias did not come on stage and do that song, this song, and we saw that Tim's voice was so, we would not know Karnikova was suffering. We didn't know. The signs were there, and we refused to believe this, all because she was playing tennis. This is crazy. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your spread, your reading. We're calling it the Temple of Aphrodite. So obviously this is sex, romance, and what the fuck is this squirrel doing here? Squirrel! Right? Okay, great. So let's just go ahead into your 6-card spread and let's see what is in your sexual energy. Oh, Mo's also getting something about Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt is born December the 18th. Okay, he is a Capricorn. Is he a Capricorn? I believe that's a Capricorn. No, maybe Sagittarius. Him look like Sagittarius though. Him don't look like a Capricorn. His ears look Capricorn-y, so he might have Moon The internet is not working out here properly, so I have to wait. Here's how it goes. What is happening? What is happening? Hold on. Could be a Sagittarius. Sagittarius, okay, so it's not a Capricorn. It might have Capricorn something. I was getting something about Brad Pitt. I was hearing it this morning. I was also hearing somebody say something about I don't want to tell her. Me getting, you like this girl, you like this guy, you need to tell him you have mental illness, you need to tell him something. You've been diagnosed with mental illness, you've been diagnosed with something, I'm getting you need to tell him. I'm getting you said that you're going to talk to somebody but you cannot tell them. Either you can't tell them that you're under oath or you can't tell them that you have a mental illness. You have to tell the person. Maybe you feel like after you tell the person they're going to be like, oh, this person crazy. Maybe every little thing you do that is sane, they're going to deem it as, oh, it's a medication, isn't it? We're getting something you have a really, I'm not going to say serious because I feel like you feel like medication is helping you or you're hiding it very, very well. When we're getting something about, is it either bipolar, not, I don't know if it's schizophrenia or identity crisis. I don't know what it is. When we're getting you say you're not going to tell the person you're dating. I'm getting you have to tell the person you're dating. Just like you're on the spectrum as a guy, but you don't show, but you're there with one girl, but you're diagnosed on the spectrum. You have to tell the girl. You got to tell the girl. Next thing you go up on the road, people know say you're on the spectrum, your girl don't know why you get bullied. Your girl don't know why you get bullied. Your girl don't know why is this commotion happening. All because, what, her pussy's killing a spectrum guy like you? Well, you need to tell her. You're on the spectrum, why you're driving? You're on the spectrum, you're working. You're on the spectrum, you are not homeless. So I am on the spectrum. This is what it feels like. It feels like maybe I might be on the fucking spectrum. So I'm getting you have to tell her. You can't just hide them little things. Hide, say you have a personal, you can't hide that from a partner. Maybe again, you feel like somebody going to be like, fuck this, I don't want to deal with this, okay? Well, some man deal with some girl after them and they don't deal with them after a baby. So why are you that insecure? Great. So let's just go ahead into your Temple of Aphrodite spread. Let's see what you're thinking at the moment. We have a Chariot. You're thinking about a police officer or you're thinking about a Cancer. So I don't know what I think about this officer for. I don't know what this officer have, if it's your probation officer or if you're hoping one day the officer can arrest you for sexual harassment. I don't know. But me getting you thinking about this officer. Me getting you thinking about the partner that you want them to be very militant and very, I don't know, maybe like a man in uniform. Now let's see what do they think. Them I think about drinking. So you're thinking about somebody who's thinking about getting rid of their own thoughts. We don't know what the Cancer thinking. We don't know what this police officer thinking. Or security officer, somebody in surveillance or intelligence. We don't know what they're thinking. Because half of the time they don't want to think. They want to get drunk to suppress all these thoughts. Let's see what do you feel. You feel like the justice. You feel like, when are you going to make me your girlfriend? I told you, you want to be my girlfriend? Move out of the homeless shelter first and then meet my mom. Stop saying that! I'm broke and I don't like mothers-in-law. When are you going to make me your girlfriend? Okay, I'm getting, you believe that you are ready for a relationship. Libra means partnership. So we have Libra and we have Cancer here. I'm getting, you feel, maybe I feel like somebody can protect you from the law. You need somebody who can protect you. Somebody not going to exploit you, who is not going to fucking sell your pictures online or your fucking information. I'm getting that's how you feel. You want somebody who work in law enforcement because you need protection. Let's see what do they feel. They feel like the Queen of Cups. So apparently you're feeling feelings for another woman's man. Me getting them. Okay, the problem is now I don't know if them wife has stressed them, but me getting them drinking to distract themselves from them wife. So you would like, okay, so you would like somebody who is already taken. That's what I'm getting. It might be a police officer, him already taken. He is married. No, me get somebody cannot divorce this person. I don't know if them can leave this person. Maybe this is like boyfriend and girlfriend and they've been in a relationship for a very long time. Family know the girlfriend, family know the boyfriend. I'm getting somebody find it hard for breakup just so. So I'm getting them drinking because them don't want to be intimate with the girl they're with. And also, I'm getting them can't really pursue you because them have another woman to think about. Them can't even approach you. You gotta ask them, are you single? No. What kind of argument is that for have? And I'm assuming if you want to be with this man, you're going to have to respect the fact that he's in a one relationship. Let him decide he wants to leave. Okay, what else? What is your sexual feelings? The two of wands. Me getting you want take a road trip with him or her. You want to go on a vacation, rent a room. I don't know what you want. I'm getting you want to spend a whole day into the night sleeping, wake up with this person. You want to go on a vacation. You want to travel. Maybe you know somebody married. So I don't know if you try lower this guy for basically like you, be with you, and then sneak out and like have sex with you. It's only going to be sex though. Him in a relationship, you're only going to get sex from him. What else you gonna get? Time. You have to spend time with him, woman, which is not you. Did you forget this? Wait. Not that. I lost my spread. Wait. Give me a minute. This is the side chick song. Me open all my feelings for your next girl, man. It couldn't be up if it's a next girl, man. It wasn't yours. So stop eyeing something that has been paid down for all fucking ready. All right, let's go again. So let's see what your sexual feelings are. No, me get a sexual feeling already. You want fucking a hotel room. Okay, let's see what their sexual feelings is. The seven of them at work. So I don't know. I don't even think this person know you like them, because all I see on their side is drinking. The woman them wait and work. So you see that them a work. Them don't want to be intimate with this woman, so them and drink. Meanwhile, you fantasize about the day them either divorce them girlfriend, them wife, or the day them decide to break up and decide them want to relocate and start something new with you. So I'm getting there's no communication. Yeah, this guy or this girl not talking about how they feel towards each other. It's really emotions that are in the air. The last card I'm going to get for you is, where is this going? Is this going anywhere? Even though there's feelings up in the fucking clouds, it might be. I'm getting someone is not yet the high priestess. Sagittarius. Again with Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt is a Sagittarius. Something about Sagittarius. I don't know if you want to divorce this girl. I'm getting somebody too, not stuck up, but them no want fucking get them hair pull. Not saying that every girl should be doing that, but I'm getting someone's like, no, I just did my hair. No, I just did my nails. No, stop. I just did my BBL. I don't know. I feel like you just don't want to be intimate with somebody anymore. So you drink and you go work. But you're not cheap on them, you know. I'm getting somebody else interested in you. So if you're a police officer, that's what's happening with you. Ending the reading is the angel, though, the temperance. I don't know. I feel like you know what somebody want before somebody know what them want. But them can't come to you and tell you this. It's like you see somebody unhappy, they want to leave them girlfriend, you know that you want to be with them, but you're not talking to them because they have a girlfriend. They're not talking to you because they have a girlfriend. Tell me, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you, on a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate me? I have a girlfriend. Yeah, I understand that, but how much would you rate me? I have a girlfriend. Okay, but if you didn't have a girlfriend, how much would you rate me? I'd rate you the same way I rate my girlfriend. But what do you rate my girlfriend? On a scale of 1 to 10, it's 11. My girlfriend broke the scale. Okay, so I'm getting something like that. So I'm getting this, you're not dealing with a cheater, but him not gonna just step out on who him with even if him unhappy. I don't know where this is going. Oh, where is it going? We just saw where is it going. Where the fuck is this going? This don't look like it's going nowhere positive. One more to clarify this shit. The death card, it's going nowhere. So is it that one or another get? I don't know who the Scorpio is. The water sign might be the Scorpio. Me getting him, I'm gonna break up with her. I don't know if somebody's going to pass away, or if that's not it. Eventually him gonna stop talking to you because the girlfriend gonna find out, say you like him, and she gonna tell him stop talking to her, and he's gonna be like, okay, that's a good boy, that's a good boy. You're listening to the wrong, but that is a good boy. Listen to your girlfriends. It makes your life way easier and you're way faster. I'm going to leave it here, but before I leave it here, Lord Jesus, what we're doing Capricorn. Let's get some of these and then we leave it here. We have take a break, Capricorn. Maybe you need to take a break from women, because I feel like the one way you want you can't get, the one way you're in a relationship with you don't want, and you don't want to be the asshole. You have to be the asshole sometime. That's how you're going to get your happiness. I am the game. You're going to live for somebody else. If you're going to live your life based on the tears of somebody else, I mean, might as well put a price tag on your head and tell me how much you buy you. Profit, pictures and videos, and we have all expense paid. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.